EZRentOut helps you manage all kinds of orders, whether they're one-offs, in-store, web orders, or even long-term rentals. For long-term rentals, you'd want to get paid every so often, and for this, you'll need to use the Recurring Orders add-on. Our goal is to keep the software easy to use so as to minimize your cost for training staff and reducing human error. To achieve this, we enforce one invoice per order. So for long-term rentals where you'll have multiple invoices, EZRentOut will generate multiple orders. These orders will all be linked together via a recurrence. Let's show you what that means. Come on. For this demo, I've set up recurrences to occur daily so as to make it easy to see how they work. But you'll probably want to set this to monthly. To make changes to the recurrence duration, go to Add-ons under the Settings option. Now, I'll add an order and a customer to get things started. I'm setting the order duration to 3 days and adding some items to the order for our long-term rental. Pretty simple. Next, all you have to do is click the Add Recurrence button, rent out the order once, and return the items at the very end of their run. You can also stop a recurrence at any time by clicking this button and then returning the order. The customer will only be charged for the duration the items were actually rented out. On each recurrence, the customer is going to receive an invoice, which is how you'd want to bill your long-term rental customers. As we've sped up the time here to a daily recurrence duration, our customer is going to receive an invoice on each day of their rental. This feature is a great way of keeping track of long-term rentals and their regular payments. Okay, for example, I'm looking at a single order from a long-term rental and will charge payment. You can do this for every order in long-term rental as the time to charge payment rolls around. If you have synced with QuickBooks or Xero, each of the orders will be synced as a separate invoice. You can spot a recurring order under the Orders tab by this loop icon. To see long-term rentals only, simply click the Recurrence tab. This helps you manage long-term rentals with ease from one centralized space. Hey, if you like the sound of EZRentOut, check out our other videos to see more about using coupons, barcode scanners, and web orders for added depth.